A lot of people don't have the time or the motivation to do a deep dive into their finances. And other times people will say to us, hey guys, I'm not giving up control of my money in any of these 5 areas of wealth transfer. How do I get started with saving for my short-term, intermediate, and ultimately retirement savings goals with this concept? If that sounds like you, stick around to the end of this video because we're gonna tell you what steps you need to take to get started today. Hi, I'm Olivia Kirk.
I'm Tim Urich. We're from Tier 1 Capital, and we're here to show you how to regain control of your money.
For the best advice on controlling your cash flow, be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when we upload new videos twice every single week. If you've been around our channel for a while, you'll know that we have 5 areas of wealth transfer where we look to find where people are giving up control of their money unknowingly and unnecessarily.
Those 5 areas are taxes, how you're funding your real estate, how you're funding your retirement, how you're paying for your children's college education, and then how you make major capital purchases.
But what if you're not giving away control of your money in any of those 5 areas of wealth transfer? Does that mean that your cash flow is already as efficient as possible?
But that may not necessarily be the case. The fact of the matter is, most of your income is flowing through your system, through your checking account, and going to pay for a lifestyle, or to be reinvested, or to help you grow your business.
Leave us a comment down below. What struggles are you experiencing as you're contemplating saving for your financial future?
In many situations, we'll review how people are using their money, and we'll look at those 5 areas of wealth transfer, and we'll be able to identify areas that they're giving up control of their money unknowingly and unnecessarily, and show them how that if they just stop doing that, their circle of wealth will grow. And if they redirect that same cash flow back to an entity that they own and control, they'll be able to build a pool of cash that they could access, no questions asked, without having to get permission in order to expand their business or their personal lifestyle.
In that type of situation, it's easy for us to identify the leaky holes in your personal economic model, or in your bucket, if you will. And we're able to plug those holes and fill up the bucket with money. But if you don't have any holes in your bucket, and instead your bucket doesn't have a bottom, it's important to build that foundation and start with what you can afford to put away at this point, and then slowly build up that bucket, keeping that money as efficient as possible so that you're able to achieve your short-term, intermediate, and long-term financial goals, no matter what they may be.
What we have found is that everybody has financial milestones or goals that they need or want to accomplish. And in that case, starting where you are puts you in a better position to make your money more efficient prospectively as you're going forward. Because the more efficient your money could be, the better chance you have of reaching those milestones and more importantly, achieving your goals.
A financial goal could be something like paying off your credit card, your student loans, saving for a down payment on a house, financing a new car, or eventually one day retiring. No matter what your financial goal is, it's important to start somewhere so that you're able to build before it's too late. You see, with the compound interest curve, there are only 2 factors to consider: time and consistently putting away money. The sooner you start that compound interest curve, the better your results are going to ultimately be.
This goes back to one of our earlier videos when we say pay yourself first. Again, the whole concept is to make your money more efficient. Paying yourself first, make sure that you're saving or you're going to be on track to meet those milestones.
The process we use uses specially designed whole life insurance policies designed for cash accumulation to help our clients achieve their financial goals. With this product, we're able to design a policy to meet the cash flow needs of each individual client, and every situation is different. If you'd like to get started with a specially designed whole life insurance policy designed for cash accumulation to help meet your financial goals, be sure to visit our website at tier1capital.com to get started today. Feel free to schedule your free strategy session, or if you'd like to learn more about exactly how our process works and how to put it to work for your family and your situation, check out our free webinar, The 4 Steps to Financial Freedom. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks so much for watching our video. And remember, it's not how much money you make.
It's how much money you keep that really matters.